So having looked at the message dialog, the confirm dialog, and the input dialog, we are now going to look at J option dialog. So the option dialog is where the user is supposed to select an input among many given inputs. So what happens is that you are to suggest the buttons that are going to be displayed and the values that these buttons have. You need to create an array of values, and then these values are going to be displayed as your buttons. So we're going to do a very simple example. We could ask, for instance, the user to select his favorite pet animal. Okay, so for us to do that, we create a simple array of pets, and then we have an J option dialog asking the user his or her favorite pet animal. So let's do this. So we create an array of string. So we say string animals. So our array of string, that is animals. So we have said you have your pets as dog, cat, rabbit, cow, and hen. So we want now to have the user choose what is his favorite pet is. So what we're going to do, we create a J option pane. J dot show option dialog. So you can see it is not overloaded. We only have one, so we select it. So let's go through the different items on it. So the first one is the component. We've talked about that. The second one is the message. So here we say select your select your favorite pet. Then the title, you can call it pets. Then the second one is the option type. So we can leave that to be a default. Then the other one is a message type. So this is where we say whether it's a warning, just a simple message or a question. Okay, so we can pick any at random. So I'll pick 2. Okay, we have 0, 1, 2, and 3. Let's pick 3. We see what we get. Icon, we don't have any icon, so we put null. The next one is what we put here is the array. So our array is animals. And the last one we put the initial value. So we put the first value here, that is animals 0, meaning the first value in our arrays. Then we put that. So after that, we can now run our there you go. So select your favorite pet. Okay, you can see it's a question mark because here we had put 3. If we change this, it will change to something else. But I can pick maybe dog. Okay, so you see when I pick that, nothing happens. Okay, of course you need to tell the system to respond. So let me correct this. Okay, so the choice you pick is given a value by the system, and the value is usually the index, the array index of the choice you have made. Okay, you know the way we have index for the arrays, which is 0, 1, 2, like that. So whatever choice you pick would be the index. So for us to capture that, we could equate this option pane into an integer, a equals that, and then we can have a show message dialog displaying the choice. So we can have saying you chose your pet to be. So if you now add the choice, which is A, then it will give you the number that you selected. So if I run this, if I pick cat, it says you pick 1 because cat is at index 1. So we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 because there are 5 or all of them. So starting from 0 you go up to 4. So if you want to see the actual value instead of 1, if you want to see the actual selection, then you put it in the right way. So we put the array index, so here we say animals, so we can just pick this. And then we put A here, which is our index. And then we can run this. So I pick, say, rabbit. It says you chose your pet to be rabbit. Okay. So I can choose another one. Dog. So says you picked your pet to be dog. And there we go. Okay. So from here now we are going to now put all what we've learned together. The message dialog, the confirm dialog, the input dialog, and the option dialog. And we are going to create a maths game, a simple maths game. So follow me as we put all these together to come up with a useful application, which is our simple maths game. Thank you.